The future of space exploration. Africa's place in the new space race. Welcome back to Discovery Learning Hub. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting questions of our time. What role will Africa play in the new global space race? From satellites to rocket launches, to STEM education shaping the next generation of innovators, Africa is stepping up in surprising and inspiring ways. The new space race. The space race of the 20th century was dominated by two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union. But today, things look very different. We now live in a world where private companies, emerging nations, and international partnerships are pushing humanity deeper into space than ever before. This new space race is about more than national pride. It's about technology, communication, climate science, security, economics, and even job creation. And Africa is stepping onto the launch pad. Africa's growing space in a map of Africa highlighting countries with active space programs. You might be surprised to learn that more than 20 African countries already have official space programs or space agencies. They're investing in satellites, research, robotics, astronomy, and space science education. Here are a few major players. Nigeria operates multiple communications and Earth observation satellites. Focuses on using space tech to improve agriculture, disaster response, and internet access. South Africa, home to SANSA, one of the continent's most advanced space agencies. Known for the Meerkat radio telescope, part of the largest radio astronomy project on Earth. Egypt has launched several satellites. Hosts the Egyptian Space Agency and Africa's first satellite assembly and testing center. Kenya has collaborated with international partners for launches from the Kenyan coast, building a strong space tech education community. Ghana, Algeria, Ethiopia, and others, investing in satellites and space education programs. Africa's space sector is no longer a dream, it's a fast-growing industry. Why space matters for AFR is drone footage of farms, cities, coastlines, weather systems. So why is space tech important for Africa? Because it solves real-world challenges right here on Earth. Agriculture. Satellites help farmers track soil, weather, and crop health. Climate change. Space data predicts storms, droughts, and floods. Healthcare. Remote areas rely on satellite communication for telemedicine. Navigation. GPS-like systems improve transportation and shipping. Education and Internet. Satellite broadband connects rural communities. Space isn't just about rockets, it's about improving life for millions. Africa in the future of global space exploration. Futuristic graphics of lunar bases, Mars missions, and satellites. Looking ahead, Africa has the potential to play a huge role in global exploration. 1. Launch sites near the equator. Countries along the equator, like Kenya, Uganda, Somalia, Gabon, and Congo, have a major advantage. Launching rockets near the equator is more efficient and uses less fuel. This could make Africa a hotspot for future commercial launches. 2. Astronomy powerhouses. South Africa and Namibia have some of the clearest skies on Earth. They're already home to world-leading observatories. 3. A growing youth population. Africa has one of the youngest populations in the world. Future astronauts, engineers, coders, and scientists are already in school today. Maybe even watching this video. 4. International partnerships. Space agencies from Europe, Asia, and North America are partnering with African countries. This means shared technology, shared missions, and shared discoveries. What's holding Africa back? And how it can leap forward. Balanced visuals. Clips showing challenges and solutions. Of course, there are challenges. Limited funding. Brain drain. Political instability in some regions. Gaps in STEM education and resources. But the momentum is strong. By investing in education, encouraging innovation, and building international partnerships, Africa can leapfrog older space powers and develop space solutions uniquely suited to its needs. Closing. The future of space exploration won't be shaped by one country or one continent. It will be shaped by all of us. Africa's role in the new space race is growing fast, And the next major discovery or breakthrough might come from a young innovator somewhere on the continent. Maybe even you. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to Discovery Learning Hub, and tell us in the comments. Which African country do you think will lead the way in space exploration?